Okay, this is a quick video to get you started with MetaMask so that you have a wallet you can use to do smart contract development as we learn how to vibe code up some Ethereum smart contracts. So I'm in Chrome. You can see I already have MetaMask here. It's going to show me my wallet address and my balance, which is 0 here, my chain, Ethereum. We're going to be using Arbitrum so I can switch chains. But if you don't have a wallet like this, you're going to need one to do development. So I'm just going to remove this. This is a Chrome extension. I'm just going to remove it so you can see me add it. And they don't need to know why. Goodbye. Okay, so now we're going to add it back. So I'm just going to Google MetaMask so that I can make sure I have the right link. Google's pretty reliable, metamask.io. And here we go. Just gonna get MetaMask. It's gonna let me add that extension back in. Add the extension. Okay, so now we have that extension back. You can see it here. I'm gonna pin it so it stays visible. And that's taking me to this page that's gonna help me get set up. So you need to read every single word of this. There will be a quiz at the end. I read every single word and I understand it. So I'm going to click the checkbox and agree. And then we get here. If you already have a wallet and you just want to import, you can export your private keys and import them here. But if you already have it, just use that one, right? We're going to create a new one. Create a new wallet. So I've already created wallets with all my Google and Apple accounts. Is probably easiest for you. Just click continue with Google, use your email or something. I'm going to do this more challenging way, secret recovery phrase. I already have a strong password on my clipboard. This is me taking responsibility for my password. MetaMask can't actually reset this password for me, right? So I need to make sure that I write that down or paste it somewhere secure. We create the password. So it's going to take me through this process to secure my wallet. And this is important for you. I'm actually not going to care about this too much because this is just kind of a throwaway wallet for me, but you should pay close attention here. Click get started. This is going to be your secret recovery phrase. I'll just show you what it looks like. This is 12 words that are human, like rememberable kind of. Like you could just memorize these and this will give you access to, these like represent your private key. So you could reclaim access to a lost wallet with just these words. I'm not even going to write them down. Oh man, I should have though. Okay, so it wants me to quiz on them. So what we're gonna do is just grab them, stick them up here, continue. So the third one is breeze. The fourth one is position, and the 10th one is gun. And there you go. Got it. We'll use this data. I'm going to actually not send data to MetaMask. I tend not to do that when they want that, even though it helps them out. I'm sorry. And we're done. So now you can scan this and get it on your phone. And if you saved your private key, your 12 words, you could put those in on your phone, and then both of those are accessing your wallet on the blockchain. And that's it. So now you have MetaMask here. Is there one more step or something? Okay, click done. So now you have the Chrome extension and you also have a new wallet address. So you can see the whole address here. Since I put the keys in this video, you could actually take my keys and gain access to this wallet. I'm not going to put any money in here, so it kind of doesn't matter. Down here is the chain that we're on. So we start out on Ethereum mainnet. These are L2 chains, sometimes called rollups. Basically, they do a whole bunch of blockchain transactions and then periodically synchronize their state with mainnet, and they're able to do transactions for less gas. So it's a good idea to work on an L2 most of the time. There are reasons to actually be on Ethereum mainnet, but gas is going to be way more expensive. Base is another popular one. It's made by Coinbase. They're blowing up. They've got a lot of money behind it. Arbitrum One is a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization that manages Arbitrum One. They have their own token called ARB. Optimism is another one. Polygon is another one. There's pros and cons to all of these different chains. And there's even other ecosystems like Solana and others that I won't go into as an alternative to the Ethereum chain, the Ethereum ecosystem. We're going to be on the Ethereum mainnet using Arbitrum 1 as the L2 rollup that we do our work on, and then going to Arbitrum Sepolia testnet, which is a blockchain that works exactly like Arbitrum, except the gas is free, and we can do development there to try out our contracts before we deploy them live on Arbitrum 1. So that's a little extra information about the plan, why you need a wallet. One other thing, so we generated this account. It's really easy to create a new wallet. So like when I'm developing and I want to make one to test, I can just create another one. So see, it generated a new address. The MetaMask setup takes a little bit of time, but once you have it, it's really easy to just create a new wallet basically instantaneously. So like I called this tester 1, tester 3. When I'm writing my code, I could use this address to do some testing so that I don't have to risk my main wallet. That's smart. You could just have as many of these. You can send money back and forth, send tokens back and forth, using the send feature, etc. But we'll get more detail into that by the end of this tutorial. You should just have MetaMask. You should have a few wallets, practice making a wallet and practice switching between the chains so that you are ready to develop in the next video. Thank you very much.